What's going on, crew? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited yubucks on Yubo. Do you use the Yubo app? You probably are on it if you watch this video. So let me open up the Yubo mod and show you guys what we're working with. So as you can see, we got 2,900 yubucks, but in the mod we can do unlimited yubucks, and I just enabled that. So now the yubucks should start increasing, guys. So let's see if they go up. Hopefully it does work. And then I'm going to show you guys how to install this onto your device. So let's see what happens. Alright, it says they were added, so I have 2,900 right now, which is fine, you know. Oh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device so you can get unlimited yubucks. That's super cool, guys. So let's get straight into the tutorial. This is not that hard, actually, so you don't have to yell. Because I know some people get like aggravated with tutorials, but trust me, guys, this one's actually pretty simple. So literally, guys, just go to the website matrixmods.com, go to the search bar, type in Yubo, and then when you press on the app, you can see it's like all modded and everything. So go ahead and press download, and before it downloads, there's going to be one more step, guys, which is the verification. So this is the last step. So you got to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from the official app store, and this will install the mod into your phone, and then you can get unlimited yubucks. So let's just wait for it to load, and as you can see, guys, at the end it says missing files. So we're just going to download 2 of these apps. They're all free, guys. You don't have to download all of them. You just have to get 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 10, so I could do that. Then we have the TikTok, which is down and run for 30 seconds. Travel Town says reach level 9. Underdog Fantasy is down and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, guys. It doesn't really matter, but yeah, that's how to get unlimited yubucks in 2025. So hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. But yeah, I've been like hunting for a method, so I just thought maybe I could share this method with you guys so you could be like interested and stuff.